switched.
What do you mean? Connor threw the keys in there.
Yeah, both keys in one car. Oh, are they the same damn key?
What do you mean? I left my keys in here.
You left your keys in here.
Yeah.
Why do I have two for this one? So you didn't pull them.
You told us not to pull them. What does it matter?
Yeah, but did you pull each key and put them in here, or is the key still in here?
I left it in the ignition, Ryan.
No, you didn't.
Oh, then someone took it out.
Oh, yeah, here it is. Hold up.
Yo, was it floating in that water?
Yeah, look at that. What does that water look like? It's gross. Look at it over there. There's a pizza box.
Listen to that thing, dude. You step it. That window's strong. You guys watching our last video, I freaking destroyed this tire down here, so it's fine. Dude, the exhaust is coming right out the motor.
Oh, it's grassy one.
Back?
Right.
Yep. Dude, it's blowing off the grass.
How's the hood then? Look around it.
Well, we got a leak. We got a leak.
That's probably just water. It's tripping up out the floor.
Well, here's a problem.
Yeah, there's nothing. So we gotta rip the front bumper off. Michael, get the list out so we know what has to happen here. Yeah, get it.
Trying. How long?
Pretty long.
How long do we have to do this?
Until next Friday. A little over a week. We're gonna have to wait till September. Not for sure.
Bought his tools right here. So we're gonna start ripping into this thing. We're gonna order food like Ryan just said.
OCP.
So probably do a music montage right here.
Right, where are you going? Try a new idea here instead of busting all these things out and making a huge mess again. You
guess we're gonna try to take these sills out.
Try to get the door open because we can't get it open.
Take door panel out, unbolt the pinchers that hold the window on, and try to slide it up and cock it out maybe. We'll see what happens.
40 minutes.
There's got to be an easier way. People are probably laughing at us. But
Why are you wearing sunglasses?
dude, the glass is flying at you.
Put it all in the truck.
We popped the trunk, boys, and well, lots of junk.
Yeah, what the is this? Just this trash can? Ow!
What even is it all?
Junk?
Junk.
Mike was attempting to take this off.
Bumpers.
He's very, very tempered and sweaty now, and he didn't get anywhere.
For one bolt. One freaking bolt.
Story of my life.
There's more bolts, so we're just
Squirrel. You mean you get this side, you still gotta do the other side.
It does.
What do you want to tell the folks here, Michael?
We finally got those freaking bolts out. There was 3 of them, not 1. Let's try this here.
Yeah, nope.
yeah, on both that side, but
We just talked about cursing in the channel. Here you
Bumper
are.
is off.
Now he's got the back one to do.
What's up, guys? This is day 2 of junk car, derby car build. We're currently trying to get the donut out of the car, but it ain't working. So Ryan's gonna keep hammering away. I don't know if it's gonna work. So after about 15 minutes of trying to get that off a hammer, we're just gonna grind the freaking top off. I think I missed
things
one.
out, Brett, you think?
What's that?
Take the seatbelt things out?
Yeah, sure. Extra weight never helps. Dude, where would the other bolt?
Never hurts, I should say.
I didn't even see it.
There's 4, dude.
I thought there was 3.
Are you serious? Now we got all the bolts out. This guy's being a rookie. Why would there be bolts in all 4 corners? I mean, that's only common sense.
Look at that, good shop seat.
We should almost freaking
Solid.
we should fabricate a bar across there to freak in case so that door doesn't get beat in on park, just in case.
Parker's here now. Just getting this 2 bolts out of here. Gonna pull this one out. Just got that one over there out.
That's got to rebuild.
Ryan was working on the inside here. We got seats out, seat belt out.
You should really be wearing a hat.
There's that.
Give me it.
Now watch what we do with these back black things here. Come here, Park.
Oh my god.
How's it coming, Connor?
Yeah, dude, we're just fucking cutting wires left and right.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Ryan, where are those wires at?
Park, what they do?
Well, when I wasn't here on Friday,
I did not. Michael cut it. And we all
somebody
quit.
cut the fuel pump because they didn't think it was underneath the rear seats. Well, when you own a Volkswagen, you know a little bit about fixing cars.
Dude, right there.
And that's the fuel pump.
Is that the wire?
No, that ain't the wire. Where's the other wire?
So we have a dead in the water car now.
There's a mint, Ryan. You can fix that nasty breath of yours.
Dude, I can't believe we cut that freaking wire.
Well, freaking Park say something. Yeah, because I knew you cut shit. This is half done.
This is what I cut. This I did not cut. I only cut the wires back
That's
here.
probably it, right?
Yeah, back there.
Is that it, Park?
That's not it.
No, I doubt that's it.
I didn't cut nothing.
It's gotta either
Look at it.
It's gotta be that one. That's the only one it could be, is that one.
Yeah, because this was what the trunk release, not?
Yeah, that has nothing to do with it. Either has to be that one or the one that Ryan cut right here.
I cut that up at the door.
Look
So-
the numbers up.
I am not taking blame for this. I think Michael did it.
I didn't touch the freaking.
Why did you say, I can't believe I did that?
I can't believe you did that.
Check
I
the
didn't
wires
snip
up.
anything.
Check the
I didn't
colors
snip
on
any
them.
wires. What color are they, Park?
Red? Red, green, orange, black, light green, white, and black.
Yeah, that'd be this one right here that Ryan cut.
I did not cut.
Ryan cut it. Actually, it could be in there too. It could be in that one.
Well, Brett got a wire stripper and some. But where, like you said, where do we go with it then?
Yo, we need a fuel pump shut off anyways. We need to wire that up anyways.
Well, it's shut off.
Oh, good. Good job, boys.
Boys, you were the one that cut.
I didn't touch the wire snips.
I didn't touch him either.
Yes, you did. That is such a lie. You were lying so bad right
You were lying so much. You cut it too, Ryan.
I cut up here because you
Cut up here, that's where it went.
Oh, this is where it goes.
It goes up the driver's side.
We cut the fuel pump wire, so we currently have no fuel going to the motor. We're gonna have to rewire it right now. Hopefully it starts. I don't know. We messed up big time.
Look at that. Let me get to the other side. After ripping her apart, look at this job right here.
All the weight out of here.
Just connecting them all up. He's back in action. Here we go.
Got the Yonker brothers out here
Doing all the work, and then we got the freaking beanbags back there.
drinking.
Lucas looks like he just got out of the shower and hasn't worked all day.
I took a shower after that.
Drinking our beer.
Over your skin you can see it beat, intoxicating your energy. First time in so long you felt the heat.